What's up, YouTube? It's your boy the Killinator. Now today on this video I'll be showing you how to download music on any Apple device. Now first, what you want to do is go to your App Store and search up this Documents by Riddle. You see it here? The big D. What you want to do is download that, and when it finished download now, you should be seeing this big D, just like the one in the App Store, the big D that mark Documents. What you want to do is go on that. So when you successfully open it now, it should carry you to this page. Now what you want to do now is, you see on the bottom here, it marked Documents, Services, Start, Add Ones, and the Safari sign, the Lake Compass. Yeah, you go on that Lake Compass and you search up this Music Juices. Now when you search up Music Juices now, the first link, MP3 Juices, free MP3 downloads, you click on that. Now say you want to search up a song, like for example I will listen to like Mo Bamba. You press download. You see our next download sign come there, you press that to the black download sign, you press that. Now this will pop up and you'll say done. Now you see go a download sign going in there, you click on that. See, your song is downloading, it's downloading, it's downloading, it's downloading, it's downloading. Boom, it's finished download. What you want to go do is, on the same bottom of your screen, you see the Documents, click on that. Now what you want to do is go in Downloads and Mo Bamba. See, it's playing. Now let me stop this song because I do not want to get copyright from Mr. Sheck West. And thank you guys. Love you guys. See you again. Killinator out.